Okay, so we have to pass a list to this function, and in the function I have to iterate over each element in the list, and I have to find out its square, and then I need to update my existing list. So here I am defining a function square list, passing list to this. So first of all, I am solving this problem by creating a new list, and then I will be modifying this code to explain that how we can update existing list. So here I am creating a blank list, iterating over every item in the list. So let's suppose my list is 3, 5, 7, so it will iterate over 3, 5 and 7, and I am just appending the values in this list, which is the square of each item. After appending all the values in this list, and I am returning this new list. So let's run this. So you can see that I have 9, 25 and 49, but it's important to note that it is not making changes in the existing list. What this means, so let's suppose my list is 357. I'm calling my function with this list. It will take this list as input, and it is returning a new list by making no changes in original list. And then if you print the values, so you can see my original list is still 357. No changes are made in this list because all the changes are made in this new list. So our task was to make changes in the existing list which we have passed as a parameter, but we have created a new list. So instead of creating this new list, I should make all the changes in this existing list. So let's modify this code to achieve desirable output. So the logic for making changes in the existing list will be this. I'm using index values to access all the elements in the list, accessing first element, finding its square and updating it back into first item. This is for second item, updating it back. This is for third item, updating it back to my list. I can use a for loop which will start from 0 and go up to the length of my list. So we need to modify this for loop. It will start from index in range from 0 to length of list, and I can copy this here. So instead of appending this in a new list, this time I need to work on the index value. I hope this makes sense to you. Can you tell me which value I should return this time? So my list name is list, so I should return this updated list. I have to add colon here. Here we are having a for loop. Index value start from 0, so first time it will look like this. Next time index value change to 1, so it perform this. Next time index will be 2, so it perform these tasks. So it keep on doing all those operations until the whole list is traversed, and after this I am just returning updated list. So instead of creating new list, I am making all the changes in the existing list. Let's run this to cross check. So you can see here I have my original list with 3, 5, 7. After this I call square list. It make all the changes in this list, and if I print list, you can see my list has been updated. Earlier it was 3, 5, 7, but after my function call it carry 9, 25 and 49. So this is the solution. In this case we able to make changes into the existing list. This is all about this session. I will see you next session with another assignment on list. Thanks for watching this video.